Did you know that salmon can swim thousands of miles and then return to the exact spot where they were born? In this video, we explore the process of raising salmon and harvesting salmon eggs, from modern farms to meticulous processing.
How are salmon raised properly?
How are salmon eggs harvested?
Find out now.
The salmon egg farming process begins with harvesting and fertilization under controlled conditions. After 4 to 12 weeks, the eggs hatch into larvae, alevins, marking an important stage of development. Once the yolk sacs are depleted, the fish become free swimming and move on to the next stage. Begin to eat food outside the tank and develop distinctive fins and stripes. The sea cage model, combined with IoT technology, helps optimize the salmon farming process, improve production efficiency, and minimize environmental impact.
Underwater cameras continuously monitor fish health.
Detect sick or injured fish early, helping farmers take timely intervention measures.
Automatically adjusting feed amounts,
Helping to reduce waste and water pollution.
The IoT integrated sea cage model helps fish grow faster, increase productivity, and reduce costs through automation. When the fish reach standard size, they are scooped up and transported to the factory for processing. Fresh salmon is kept cold at the factory to ensure its freshness.
Once it arrives, the fish is put through an automated pre-processing process.
Salmon is arranged in a closed process, ensuring continuous and synchronized processing.
Salmon is brought to workers with skillful hands to quickly remove the head.
The tail will be cut off by modern machines.
Once the head and tail are removed, the salmon is moved to the side cutting stage.
The main bones are removed in preparation for the process of picking out small bones.
The salmon is passed through a state-of-the-art machine to remove any remaining small bones.
This process is quick, ensuring the fish is boneless while still retaining its texture and freshness.
After picking up the bones, the salmon continues to the edging conveyor.
Where excess edges are trimmed.
This step helps create a beautiful shape, ensuring high aesthetics for the product.
The salmon is inspected one last time before being vacuum packed and refrigerated,
ensuring its freshness when transported to the market.
Salmon is a popular ingredient in many delicious dishes such as sashimi, sushi,
which helps protect the heart, improve brain function,
boost immunity, and beautify the skin.
Thank you for watching the whole video.